And on we'll go.
Many children and adults find fractions difficult to understand. This is often because fraction notation is very confusing. Children therefore struggle to relate the symbol to the thing and end up guessing. Even me, when I was in grade school, fractions really gave me headache. But I was able to understand it, especially performing the operations. Hello everyone, my name is Bridget Carvalho-Gubat, and today we will learn how to add fractions. But before that, let us first define what is fraction. The word fraction is derived from the Latin word fractio, which means to break. In mathematics, fractions are represented as a numerical value and can be defined as the parts of a whole. For example, 1/2. The top number says how many slices we have, and this is called numerator. And the bottom number says how many equal slices that was cut into, and this is called denominator. Adding fractions is another mathematical skill that we need to learn. It can be a little bit difficult because in order to add fractions, their denominators must be the same. In the context of adding fractions, you can't combine, say, 2/8 and 3/5 because they are fractions of different types. Now let's begin with adding fractions with the same denominator. Let's perform the operation in this example. 3/5 plus 1/5. So it's very easy to add because they have the same denominators. Now to add this fraction, we add only the numerators or the top numbers. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And their common denominator is 5. So just copy 5. Now we have 3/5 plus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. Now let's have another example. 6/12 plus 4/12. So this example, we are going to add again the numerators or the top numbers. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And now we have the common denominator 12. So just copy it. So 6/12 plus 4/12 is equal to 10/12. Take note that this answer is not in a simplified form. In order to simplify a fraction, we need to find the largest factor that is common between the two. So the largest factor of 10 and 12 is 2. So now divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor, which is 2. Now we have 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, we get a reduced fraction of 10/12, which is 5/6. This time around, let's add fractions with different denominators. First, we will get the least common denominator of the two fractions, perform the operations, and then reduce the sum to lowest terms if possible. Let's have 1/3 plus 2/4. They have different denominators, right? So let's find their LCD. We know that the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Now we are going to look for a number that can be multiplied to both denominators. As a result, the common denominator will be 12. Don't forget that the number you are multiplying to the denominators must also be multiplied in the numerators. In 1/3, to get the denominator 12, we are going to multiply 3 by 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Also in the numerator, let's multiply it by 4. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Now we get, in 1/3, we have 4/12. In 2/4, in order to get the denominator 12, we are going to multiply it by 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Also in the numerator, let's multiply it by 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So in 2/4, we get 6/12. We can now perform the operation because they have already the same denominators. 4 twelves plus 6 twelves is equal to 10 twelves. We can still reduce it to lowest term. So the common factor of 10 and 12 is 2. Let's divide. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The 10 12 is 5 6. That's how you're going to add fractions with the same and different denominators. It is very easy to add fractions, right? Thank you guys for your time and for listening to my math tutorial video for adding fractions. Take care. Bye-bye.